Happy Way Kitchen. So today for Throwback Thursday, I'm going to be making a healthy take on a lime spider. So what I'm going to be using today is the vanilla vegan Happy Way protein powder. I've got some date syrup as sweetener, however you can use whatever sweetener you like. I've got 2 limes which I'm going to juice, and I'm using almond milk and some ice. So all I'm going to do is add the ingredients to the blender, blend it all together until it's nice and smooth, and then it'll be ready to serve.